Greetings of the day. Myself Mukul Singla of class 10th. Today I am going to present a PowerPoint presentation on the topic of impact of COVID-19. As we all know, entire human population is suffering from the pandemic disease COVID-19. So let us discuss about it. The content of my presentation are about COVID-19, social impact of COVID-19, stats about COVID-19 and the conclusion. So basically, what is COVID 19? COVID 19 is an infectious disease caused by the recently found virus known as SARS CoV 2 or coronavirus. WHO has declared the COVID 19 pandemic as a global health emergency. It affected the society and global economy. About coronavirus. The symptoms of the coronavirus are high fever, tiredness, and the dry cough. Asymptomatic people. Asymptomatic people are those people who are affected with COVID 19, show mild symptoms, especially during the first stages of the disease. Thus, you can still catch the disease from an infected person who only has a mild cough or don't feel ill. This is infographics of symptoms of COVID-19. A person suffering from COVID-19 has the following symptoms: tiredness, high fever, dry cough, and difficulty in breathing. So, our second topic is social impact of COVID-19. So, social impact of COVID-19 on different social group is different. On older person, people are particularly susceptible to the risk of infection of COVID-19. Second, person with disabilities. Even at the best of time, person with disabilities face challenges in accessing healthcare services. Third is youth. Many government called youth to protect themselves and overall population. Indigenous people. Indigenous people are particularly vulnerable at this time due to significantly high rate of non-communication. And the last are support for development and peace. About 80% of people recover from this disease without needing special treatment, and about 20% of the people die. Our third topic is stats about coronavirus. This is a graph. As you can see here, the increasing death cases in India. As you can see here, on 5 May, total death cases in India were 3,875. About 1,12,000 cases had been reported in India, and 3,435 people were killed in India due to coronavirus disease. This is a world map show the total confirmed cases, recovered people and death in all over the world. Here you can see the confirmed cases in all over the world is 50 lakh and the recovered people were 19 lakh, and the total death reported in all around the world are 3 lakh. Indian economy is badly affected by the COVID-19 and the GDP rate goes down. In this graph, you can easily see that how much rate the GDP goes down. So the conclusion is that antibiotics do not work against coronavirus. So please try to protect yourself and prevent the spread of the disease by using this method like washing your hand with an alcohol based sanitizer. Keep a distance of at least 1 meter. Try your best not to touch your eyes, your nose and your mouth. Cover your mouth and your nose when you cough. Seek medical attention if you have difficulty breathing and high fever. Follow the direction of your nation and local health authority. Thank you.